Hello everyone. This is a MP3 player. If you want to have additional audio like voice and music to your project, this circuit will save you a lot of time, efforts, and your budgets. Even though it's simple, it has many good features. We are going to the feature number 1, that the MP3 player can work as a standalone. I'm connecting the wires for the push buttons. Two watts speaker. This MP3 player can accept a micro SD up to 32 gigabytes.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
The short press is for song selection, and press and hold is for volume control.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Here's the feature number 2. Instead of playing music from the micro SD, the feature number 2 that can play the music from the USB memory stick. In this feature, the MP3 player can work as a USB host and the USB memory stick is a USB device. Similar to the micro SD, the USB can be the memory up to 32 gigabytes. You hear the sound is quite good. The quality is quite good. With the feature number 3, the MP3 player works as a USB device. I'm connecting the USB from the MP3 player to my computer. Plus 5 volts, ground, data minus, and data plus for the USB cable. When I plug the USB into my computer. My computer recognizes and appear the USB drive D. And there is an audio MP3 device appear. I can play the music from my computer. And the computer streams the data down to the MP3 player. I can control pause, play, and the volume. Now I'm going to the feature number 4. With the feature number 4, the MP3 player works as a USB mass storage device. When I click into the drive D, I can see the files I store in the micro SD. I can play the file on the micro SD, and the audio is output from my MP3 player. Another song in a different folder. Now I'm going to the main feature of this MP3 player, that I can control the operation of the player through serial data. And we just see the structure of the commands. There's several commands in the datasheet. So this is just examples 1. This is the most commonly used and the simple control. I remove the old cable. So I'm getting ready for the serial data control. Ground, transmit, and receive. The red board is the USB serial converter. When I plug the breadboard into my computer recognizes that is the USB serial converter, COM3. The serial converter converts the data, USB data, to serial UART data. The simple UART has 3 wires: ground, transmit, and receive. This is the serial configuration required to talk to the MP3 player. set to COM3, and set the baud rate to 9.6 kilobit per second. Now open the connection. So the top window of the Hercules can display the data transmit and receive data to the MP3 player. And the 3 lines at lower Hercules, that's where I can type the commands in hex number and send out to the MP3 player. Now I can try to set the volume to the level 20. We can set the volume from 0 to 30. One-fourth in hex is 20 in decimal. And I just sent the command to set the volume. Now I'm going to play the first song in the micro SD.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4,
On the
5,
top
6,
window,
7, 8, 9, 10.
and I can see not the character, it's kind of like special character because that's the hex number. Change to the song number 2. Song number 3. Tune up the volume. So I just demoed the feature number 5. Now we go to the feature number 6. With this feature, I have more USB plug into the MP3 player. That is the USB memory. I plugged in the wrong hole and plug it back. So we have both micro SD and USB memory stick. So that is the serial command to switch the device. So we can change the device to USB or micro SD. This is a command. That's a command number 9. Okay, change to the micro SD and send command.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Play
6,
the
7,
first
8,
song
9,
in
10.
the micro SD. Now switch to the USB. And playing song in the USB stick. Plays the second song. The third song. Back to the song number 2. I change command to pause the music. Pause. And play again. We are at feature number 7. This feature operates same like the feature number 5 and 6 that control the MP3 player through serial ports. And instead of control from my computer, the microcontroller board Arduino Nano is programmed to send a command to the MP3 player. And remove the old stuff for the room for the Arduino. This is the Arduino. I programmed a simple code. Just send out 8 bytes of data to the serial ports. So yeah, based on your application, you can program the microcontroller to perform song and voice selection and send that command to the MP3 player. You can integrate the system into the appliances like the coffee machine, washing machine, other device that's interface with human through voices. I'm connecting the power supply 5 volts and ground to the Arduino. Serial transmit and serial receive. So when I have the serial UART connects from the Arduino to the MP3 player, the Arduino send out a command to play a song on the MP3 player. As you see the circuit connection on the left. So with the controller program, you can control the volume, selecting the device, and setting several modes for the audio and music. And this is the simple device First, I have the serial port open, 9.6 kilobit per second, and then setting the SD card and set the volume to 20 and play the first song and repeat the first song every 10 seconds. If you want to know more detail about the commands to control the MP3 player, just post your comments or question down below. My video is stopped right here, and thank you.